Dubai eyo ekivulu twabalaga ekivulu wano Sindi kyali alina okuyimbako ne Mudra e Dubai. Kyabaddeyo okwesejjo and Sindi didn't appear. Sindi yasigadde mu hotel with an allegation ntino wabadde allegation egamba ntina abantu wabadde batono Sindi kyabadde yalemedde mu hotel, but that's not true. The truth is Sindi yalemedde mu hotel kubanga kabalance ke badde tebanaka muwambu nalemera mu hotel. Abantu be Dubai bavuddeyo bekalakasa nga si banyiivu era nsonga ya promoter na muyimbi, you know. Katoka tufune emboozi ejja kuba tuteeka ku dakiika close to 30 minutes. We shall have a break, then tujja kudda ne gift of kado naye ayina obusungu eri tafubi. Crazy katoka tufune emboozi.
Tulina sente obugaga bwa Sindi bwonna mbuyina mu ngalo emu. Nze Jeff Mulangi oba tomumanyi. Jeff nenga wali wayinde obudde. This is rubbish. People left their things to come and stay here. I'm a Ugandan British. How can you bring us and make this nonsense? You know?
Any promoter yalese Sindi.
Cuts promoters, you should do cuts or what? This is fake. Ugandans are very busy in Dubai. People are very busy. This gentleman is very busy. This one is very busy. This one is very busy. And you don't show up, making us pay a ticket of 4,000 dirhams, equivalent to 4 million Ugandan shillings. You cannot even be a human president when you cannot show up for a show. We can solve all your life. We can solve your financial problems. Cindy, Cindy, listen to me. I can solve all your financial problems with just a speck of a minute. I can solve all your financial problems. I flew in my wife from Kingston, Jamaica to watch your show, and you don't show up.
And the reason as to why Sindi didn't perform. Well, we've seen so many rumors going around that Sindi did not perform because the event had no people. Olugambo si lutuufu. Ekivulu kyabaddemu abantu, but this is what happened. Eventually amabala e Dubai gaggalawo okuva ssaawa gatandika okukola okuva ssaawa 2 paka ssaawa 9 ez'ekiro. And we reached a time, and people have a tendency in Dubai bajja okutandika okuyingira ebivulu ku ssaawa 7 kitundu. So Mudra starts to sing at around 2:30, 2:40. Nayimba up to ssaawa zabadde 9 n'eddakiika 2 because I looked at the time. I was on stage, I was getting the video where the main advertisers of this show. So bw'ava ku stage ssaawa 9 n'eddakiika 2, eventually what is happening between the promoter, that is promoter Cuts, and Sindi management yabadde egamba eyagala payment gye baalagaana okuyimba. But the payment that was agreed upon between the promoter and the management of Sindi tugenda kuyimba show 3 within 3 states, that is Abu Dhabi, Dubai and Alain. Now Alain, unfortunately, the venue was not good because of the nature of how Alain is. Kitegeeza abayimbi baperforminze mu state bbiri mu Abu Dhabi ne Dubai. The promoter was negotiating agamba munsalireko ku ssente ze twalagana since tetwayimbye Alain tusobole okukola ki okumeetinga costs naffe. Abantu babaddemu naye waliwo factors ezaleetedde turn-up obutabeera nnyingi kubanga Sindi muyimbi munene, Mudra is a good artist yaliko saawa zino, turn-up yandibadde y'amaanyi naye waliwo factors nga ekivulu okubeera nti kyategekeddwa ku Sunday, of Sunday eriko 3 nights, eriko 2 nights eza 2 big DJs bakasangawo ba Dubai ate nga okuyingira kwa bwereere. So definitely people had alternatives.